Mute everybody. So that we don't have anybody joining and interrupt us. So I'll start sharing my screen now. Have you muted everybody? Are you hearing me?
Hey.
So first, the first thing to be done is for us to go to our Mrs. browser. So on the Mrs. browser, Walrus, as I said, is a decentralized storage and data availability protocol designed specifically for large binary files or blobs. Walrus focuses on providing a robust but affordable solution for storing unstructured content on decentralized storage nodes while ensuring high availability and reliability even in the presence of Byzantine faults. So now I'll proceed first and foremost by getting the wallet. We need a Sui wallet and as well as a sweat wallet. We need two wallets because the sweat wallet we use to get the Testnet token. Also, you need one Sui to be in your mainnet for the transaction in order to be able to carry out the transaction. So I'll go to my extension now. I'll click on this extension bar. I'll click on Chrome Web Store for me to go and get the. Okay, so I'm on the Chrome Web Store. I'm using a phone, so you not think that maybe it's not doable with a phone. So Sweat Wallet, I've installed Sui Wallet. I want to install Sweat Wallet. Sweat Wallet is just like MetaMask for Sui blockchain, as MetaMask is for Ethereum, basically for Ethereum. If not that they now made this kind of EVM compatible. So now I'm trying to download my Sweat wallet. I said that you need Sui and Sweat wallet. Those two wallets, you get it from the Chrome Web Store. I might even drop the link to the wallet on the group. I might drop it so that for people who cannot access it. So I've downloaded it. I'll go to my extension icon. To my extension icon, where is it? Sweat wallet. So I'll configure my Sweat wallet. I'll be creating a new one. Anytime that you are sharing your screen and you want to put password or anything, you have to stop sharing. So let me put my password. So I'm still with us. I want to set up my wallet. You know, I cannot be exposing my private key and password on the session. So let me quickly set up this. So I'm still with us. I just needed to set up my wallet. I'm still with us. So I've been able to like set up my GC. I'm still with us. 700. No, 750 attack 7. You, I said you should meet everybody in Ataju. I said I should meet everybody.
Never joined this kind of thing before.
No, I've been able to create the wallet. I've been able to create the
It's not
wallet.
seeing your screen, though.
Yeah, I know. I cannot share my screen when I'm creating a wallet. I cannot share my screen when I'm creating a wallet. I said you should mute everybody now. Yemi. Don't want this thing to be. So I've created my Sui wallet. Anytime that you are creating stuffs like this, you don't review your screen when you are creating stuffs like this. Reason being that for the security of your phones, once somebody gets access to your private keys, as good as the person has opened your this thing. So now I want to switch to testnet so that I'll request for Sui. So I'll go to faucet. The Sui network is not available. Please try again in a few hours. So this, as you can see, this is it. They are saying that I'm not able to do this. Maybe I'll just have to send from. Let me copy the address and go and send from my end and see. No, this is not the wallet I even wanted to use inside. Let me disable it. So I want to disable that wallet. I had wanted using it to get the faucet, but since it's not dispensing, I will have no option at this. So it's this other one that I want to use, and it's still the same process that you get it. That is the Sui wallet. It's the same process that you use in getting it. So it's the same process that you use in getting all of them. So I'll unlock the account. Later you want to input your password or something, you have to stop sharing your screen. So we are here. So this is the wallet. So I know you might encounter the same issue of having the faucet not dispensing for you. But the only thing you can do is for you to keep trying it. To keep trying it. As you keep trying it, it will go through. So I want to copy the. Am I still sharing my screen? No, let me share my screen. So this is how you change from your network. So I'm on the Sui wallet now. Request test Sui. Too many requests from this client have been sent to the faucet. Please try later. So it's normal for you to do this. So if you want to change for the network, you come to this top right hand corner that is having something like a settings icon. You click on it. Then you can alternate between mainnet and testnet. So over here, I'll click on testnet. I'm on the testnet. So I'll just copy my address and I'll copy my address. Let me copy the address and go and have it sent to someone. so that I can be able to get the testnet Sui. So this is it. I'll send from that place. So I know the session might be kind of slow, but it's normal because we are trying to get how to do this stuff. It's normal, but it's not really something that is hard. If maybe I were to be doing it personally, I would not be making this long. It won't take this long. So as on this session like this, try as much as possible to be getting those wallets on your extension, especially for those of us that are using Mrs. Browser and the rest. You can get most of those stuffs on your extension. So I want to send test Sui to that address. Are you people hearing me?
Yes.
Okay. So I want to send test Sui from my address to that particular one. The faucet that they were saying that one can get this thing from was not going through. So I've been able to send, just that it's not even sufficient, but let me just see. That's one thing with some of this. So I've been able to send to that address. Let me proceed now. Let's see if it has arrived. Let me see if it has arrived. Let's see if it has arrived. Let me see if it has arrived. Okay, the test suite has arrived. Just that is not up to the required number that I want. But nevertheless, I'll proceed with what I want to do. The major thing is to get the NFT minted. So like I said, we need one Sui. And one Sui is about $5 now. Yeah, 5 point something dollars for you to get one Sui. So I'll be sending this into mainnet Sui to that address. I'll be sending mainnet Sui to that address. I've been able to open the. So as you can see, the test Sui has arrived. So let me send mainnet Sui to that address for me to be able to do it. I'm coming. Okay, let me send. I want to send Sui to that address. So So I'm trying to send from. Let's just give it time. I want to send Sui to that address. So I've been able to send. Let me switch to the mainnet. And one good thing about this wallet is that both the mainnet and the testnet is the same. Okay, it has arrived. I've been able to send. So I want to show us that if you want to claim the faucet, the what do they call it? The NFT here. You will not be required to like you not be charged for it. So I'll first of all go for the first tax. On this first tax, you need your MetaMask also. Like I forgot to mention that you need your MetaMask also. And most of us have been using conversant with MetaMask, so I don't think that should pose any problem. So you go to your listen. You switch to mainnet the way I just did. In this case, I'm on mainnet. So you switch to it. I've copied the link from the group. You people are seeing what I'm doing now, isn't it? People are seeing what I'm doing now, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'll go and paste that link, that first link. The first link is the Walrus Quest. And that should be the first task is the starter. Yeah. Okay, no, is the Odyssey. Anyone can do. There's no particular way that you have to listen. So sometimes when you're on this interface like this, you have to switch to desktop mode so that it will assume that you are more likely to give you a desktop feel. So now we are here. I'll log in. I already have a Galxe account. I'll log in to MetaMask. So, and that is one important of the advantage of using MetaMask, Mrs. Browser. It will give you the notification. So let me stop sharing my screen so that I can enter my password. To give you the notification. Yes, now I'm even behind schedule for this session. So I've been able to log in my Galxe account. So now all these tags are more or less like social media tags, apart from the minting. And like I said, the minting will require that you add an address. So I'll show us how to add the address here. Another address to your Galxe account. So now that we are here, they ask that I follow on Twitter. So this is the first task. I'll click on follow. So I'll follow. So it requires that I follow my using. So I have to edit my profile. So now they might require that I configure some things on my listen. So you put your password, you connect most of these things. So why am I using this is because I know a lot of us are using this Galxe platform for the first time. So this is what will be required of you. So you configure your socials. So I'll put the email. So they will send a code to me. So let me go to my email and copy the code that was sent to me. Am I still sharing? I'm not sharing my screen now. Yeah, let me go to my email and copy the code. Gmail. Don't worry, we will have this to ask our questions. So don't worry. Just allow me just do this. We have time to ask our question. So I've copied this. Let me share my screen again. So I've copied the code that was sent to this thing. So I'll click on it and I'll verify. So I've been able to bind my email. Now I'll connect Twitter account. All these ones are this thing. I'll connect Twitter. So let me connect Twitter. So all these things are things that you do. So they ask that I tweet. And now if I'm to tweet, you just have to get the by default. If you log in your Twitter under your Odyssey, you'll be able to get it will just direct you. So now that I've Twitter, I'll click on this your post was sent and copy the link to this post. This is how you copy the link. This thing that looks like a share icon, you click on it and you copy link. So let me go back now. I'll paste the link here and I'll verify. So it shows that I've performed that task. So this another thing that this is because this gives is a social media platform for Web3 projects. So they'll give you tasks, go and do on these Gales, and this Gales helps projects to be visible to other people. Like now, if I come to Gales, I can just see projects and be running their airdrop. It will count for me. Like there's a connection between them, and they bring Web3 projects to social media. It's just like a bridge. So now the next one that I will connect now is my Discord account. So let me connect my Discord account. Let me connect Discord. So connecting Discord will lead me to my to my Discord account.
I think his network. He will be back.
Oh, hello. Hello, answer me now. You are here, you cannot answer me.
You went off now.
Yeah, I went up. I'm asking that you people hearing me now. When I came back, you cannot answer me.
You can hear us.
How would I know that I'm not on when you're not answering? So the next task, I just went to copy this in after connecting both accounts. So I'll click on follow Walrus on Twitter. So I'll go and follow it, and it will automatically read. And one funny thing is that if you go and follow this thing without following using this particular Twitter that was linked to your Gales account, it will not work. The thing will not read for you. So look at it now. Since I use that particular account, it has marked me right.
You're not seeing my
Visit
screen.
Walrus website. You're not seeing my screen. How? Okay, let me share again.
The screen is not showing.
Yeah, please mute everybody. You are the one that is moderating this session. You just tell me. I will know that this thing is not showing, and I will be able to do this. I don't want it to be. We are recording this session, so I don't want it to be kind of everybody is talking. Will give us time for us to talk. So visit the Walrus website. I'll click on it. Continue to account. These ones are not really a problem because you don't have any tasks to go and perform there. So now I'll click on this. Just toggle on this. So you just toggle on that particular. I don't know why the thing is not corresponding. So it has marked for me. It has marked it for me. Explore projects built on Walrus. So you just go to that site. So I'll come back again and check. You use this arrow to check whether you've completed, as in you've gone through this thing. I have the member role in Walrus Discord. So this one now will require that you use that account that you linked. So now on this site, now that you've connected this Galxe account, all these accounts are linked to these social media handles. So any tasks that you've completed using Galxe through them will definitely work out for you. Like you will see that you'll be able to confirm it. So now I'll go to the Discord. I'm on the Discord now. I want to get the member role. So getting the member role is not really hard. You just perform some tasks. Now it's just for you to scroll down and look for something like a verify. Well, getting started. Let me click on getting started. So you can just come and pick. During DevNet, builders were invited to build an award. The only limit 60 teams entered, they built a project, all of which are available for you to peruse and use. So I'll just click on this one, then I'll click on done, check out general chat. So I'll just say I'll just type something. I'll click on, let me just type something, GM. It might not be this thing, valid. Hello everyone, I'm new here. How do I get the member role? So I'll just ask a question. Okay, let me just ask direct. How do I get the member role? So greetings like that are banned in the server. Okay, let me just leave this place and see if I can verify. Let me go back and see. The verification is not really cut, although it's been long that I did this particular task. So let me confirm it and see. I know giving that role is not hard. Yes, I know it didn't really take. Learn about read the Walrus article. So I'll just click on continue to site. This one doesn't even have much issue. It's just for you to read and come back. So there's it. I'll use this stuff to like confirm it. So now there are some this thing that I put there, that I placed there, which were quiz questions. So I'll start. So Mr. Emi, could you help me read the answers to the starter quest? That is the starter quest. Walrus starter quest. I posted the answers there. Is it not BADB or so?
Is they this side?
Yeah,
Okay,
the
BADB.
Yeah, BADB. So the first one is Let me refresh this page. I don't know why it's hanging. So that I'll be able to log in. It required that I log in again with my wallet. So let me click on the start. Let me start sharing the screen. So for this, we are almost through the first Galxe tax. B A
GB.
You say?
BADB.
Yeah, I know. I heard the first thing you made mention of, DB. So I'll submit now. I said the starter quest. Are you sure you gave me the answer to the starter quest? This is not the starter quest now. I said the starter quest. There were answers to it there. Is it that the answers are not here?
No answer for there. Now only the no answer for start quest
Okay,
here.
don't worry. I will try it. Let me stop here. I got the answers to that starter quest. I got the answer to that starter quest. Can't just place where I dropped it. Let me check where I dropped the answers. I'm coming. Let me get the starter quest answer. Coming. Let me get the answer. I got the answer to that. This thing. I don't know. Oh, I'm coming. Please, let's just give me some time. Let me get those answers. So I wouldn't want this to delay me. Let me continue with the Odyssey tax. I can always come back to this. But at least we've gotten how I did it. So it's not the idea is just to show us how this is done. I'll put the answers to the tax. I'll be able to get the answers. I thought I posted it some time ago with those. I got the answers and I posted it. So I'll go to the next tax.
Or is it on WhatsApp?
Yeah, don't worry. That one can be done later. I don't want to waste much time. So let's go to the Odyssey. The Odyssey is still the same thing. It's still a Galxe tax, and the answers that were provided there is for this particular one. It's for this particular Odyssey. So that is just the major. These are the major things I just want to show us here. Let me stop sharing my screen. Okay, my screen is not being shared. Let me input my password first before sharing my screen again. So we are here now. I'm on the second tax. On the second tax. So on this second task, because I've done this other task, it just automatically gave me, it ticked it for me because they've recorded my response for those ones. So visit Toski storage Walrus. So I'll click on continue to access. This one is not really a must that you finish it. Just click on the link. It has shown that you've clicked on it. Now follow Toski Tools on Twitter. So let me follow them. So if you complete the starter quest, the other ones will not be, they will just record your response for the other ones. So this is it. Now read the Walrus Learn article. So this article is for you to be able to answer the quiz question. So it's for you to be able, it's to enable you answer the quiz questions. Let me refresh this page. It's not easy sometimes doing this stuff with phone. You need sometimes you need a bigger screen, but nevertheless you can just make do with what you have. It's just for you to know how to tweak it. So now I want to read Walrus Learn article. Data. Is it this notification? So I'll continue to access. So this is just for you to be able to answer the quiz question. So it's loading, it has loaded. Now I'll answer the question. So the first one is BADB. Next B, submit. So I've gotten this one, so it has marked for me. Now everyone gets an NFT. So this is it. We've been able to do that. So from what it seems, is like if you have one NFT, one referral, you get one NFT and the opportunity to mint it. So although I don't think if you don't get the opportunity to mint, now you'll be able to mint the NFT. So for every referral you make, they'll allow you your referral to mint an NFT. But it's like the NFT is available to everybody. Shabo, I don't really understand what they're saying here, but that's not the case. Claim one NFT. Now, on claiming NFT, they are asking that you need to bind your Sui address. So I'll click on go now. So what it means is that apart from the other address that I've binded, that is this particular EVM address, I'll have to bind a Sui address. So, and this is Sui here, somewhere here. I'll click on it and it will redirect me to my Sui wallet. So I'll click on Sui. So log in to Galxe Sui. So now it will automatically take me to a Sui wallet. Come in. Why is this one carrying me to Phantom? So if this kind of thing happens, what you just need to do is to disable. It's just for you to disable your Phantom. Phantom sometimes likes overriding other extensions. So you just come to this three dot, you click on extension, then you disable your Phantom. I'll disable my Phantom. I've already disabled my Sweat wallet. It's my Sui wallet I want to give access to. So let me give it time so that I'll be able to like add it. So let me claim the NFT now. Bind now. login. User and that's this no. So let me log in with this. So I've already logged in. So I need to add an address. So I'll choose Sui in this case. So I'll click on Sui here. So now it will allow me. It has brought me to my Sui address. I'll now click on connect. So I'll click on connect. So sometimes if you are having issues logging in, it's giving you those things. Disable other extensions that are overriding it. So now I've added my Sui wallet. So I'll now go back and mint the NFT. And it just requires that I have a balance of 1 Sui in my wallet for it to mint. And I'll be charged this in. So I'll switch the wallet now to that wallet, to Sui. So now it has switched to it. I'll click on sign. Now claim. It's almost the same thing for the look at what they are charging, 0.004 Sui. This is not up to even $1. So I've successfully minted the NFT. So this is the starter NFT, the Odyssey NFT. There are 2 NFTs to be minted here, and like I said, you just need to maintain that balance for them to recognize that, okay, this wallet is not a dormant wallet, is an active wallet. That is what I presume. And sometimes to detect CView, that is multiple accounts, to detect people that use multiple accounts. Some projects don't bother, but some projects take it to account. So that is it. We've been able to mint the Odyssey NFT. And most times, what that Odyssey, all these NFTs are proof that you participated in the project. So now the next thing now that we'll do is you can decide to refer somebody. So I'll just copy the referral link. I'll click on copy link. I can drop it on the group. For anybody that wishes to use it, can just make use of it. So I'll paste this one here. So the next step now, I couldn't complete the starter quest because I can't place where the answers are now. I don't want to start going into reading those stuffs. So the next step now is for you to stake. Now click on the staking this thing, the staking link. I'll paste it here. It will take me to the staking site. In this staking site, you need testnet Sui to stake. It's not mainnet Sui. So it's just for that minting of NFT that you need to have a balance of at least 1 Sui to pay for gas. Although some people said that because they didn't have up to this, it did not connect for them. So that is why I'm recommending that you just get at least 1 complete Sui. Sui is about $5 now. Before, when I did this, it was about $4. So you now click on connect wallet, Sui wallet. Now it will take you to that wallet. Then you now switch to, on that wallet, make sure that you switch to testnet, because this balance that you are seeing here is my testnet balance that is showing here actually. Let me go to the wallet and switch to this thing. Look at my balance here. Look at my mainnet balance. So for you to switch to testnet, you come to this settings icon here at your top left hand corner. You click on it. Then you select which one? Testnet. Like I told you guys that on that place, it's my testnet balance that I was showing. Look at it. This balance that is showing here is my testnet balance. My mainnet balance is about 1 Sui, but here is the same thing as my DC. So on this staking place, you need testnet Sui, and for you to get for the testnet Sui, that was why I said you should download both Sweat wallet and Sui wallet. On the both wallet, you can request for Sui, but because of the faucet, a lot of people are requesting for these stocks. It's kind of congested, so maybe you can try sometime in the midnight or so. by so doing, you'll be able to get. You will just keep trying because some of these things are in high demand, and as such, you might the congestion in the network will not allow them to dispense to everybody. So now the next step is for us to get WAL. Is this Walrus native token that will be staking on the platform, and it's the same thing as Sui. Like it's you need to get one Walrus make one Sui make one Walrus. So I'll click on get WAL. You now exchange it. You put the amount of Sui. Let's assume I believe the thing is not even going to go for this 0.9. Let me try this 0.9 because the last time I checked, it will give you need at least one Sui to stake on this site. But I'll just simulate the conversion so that we'll be able to get it, know what to do. So you just do it like that. Then now you now come down, you go to staking. Now I'll come down and go to staking. Let me change to desktop side so that I would bet you see everything well. So you go back to this now and you stake. Just like the way we used to do on all this tomato that we stake. But in this case, you are going to be staking Walrus. And for you to get Walrus, you need to swap, you need to exchange it with Sui. So now I've gotten 0.9 WAL. I want to stake it. But the minimum you can stake on most of these validators here is 1 Walrus. So I'll click on stake. Let me just click on stake. I know 0.2 I might not go to. So it will not go to 0.9. The least you can stake is 1 Walrus. So after you must have swapped like that, you just come here. Once you get tests, I'll give us 3 places that you can get those tests Sui. But it's not easy to come by. Sometimes it will not be easy for you to come by and for you to get them. So you just put one here and stake. Now it's because I'm not it's because this 0.9 is not up to 1 Walrus. That's why I'm unable to stake. So that is just it for the airdrop for this particular Walrus Testnet. So I'll stop the recording from here. Then we can quickly ask our question in like 5 minutes because I need to go and pray. So I'll stop sharing my screen. Then I'll end the recording.